how to send snaps without media upload label. So if you want to send snaps without media upload label, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. Go with your Play Store or your App Store and then update your application. Now once you've updated, you need to launch your Snapchat application. After opening your Snapchat, now here you need to just simply go with the drop down button. Once you tap on the drop down, as you can see that you will have director mode, right? You just need to simply tap on director mode, or you may also have an option of import media. Here on the bottom, you will find import media. Tap on it. Once you tap on import media, just simply go and select any media that you're comfortable with. I'll just simply go with an image and go with the tick, which will be on the bottom, and tap on preview. You can also choose a video as well. Once done, you need to go with send to, which will be on the bottom, and then send it to your followers or your friends. Once you've sent, now it won't say media upload. As you can see, that it's not saying any media upload right here. That's it. That's how you can send snaps without media upload label. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.